Dataset in Pandas. So dataset are the observations that has been recorded in the past in order to predict the future. So there are a couple of websites that offer the free datasets. So these are the websites like Kaggle, Open Data CERN, Crime Data Explorer, then data.gov. I would highly recommend to use the Kaggle website. Here you can find lots of free data over here. So simply go to the kaggle.com, which is kaggle.com. Here it will ask you to register first. So you can log in either with your Gmail ID, or you can just simply go ahead with the normal registration process. Now once you are registered, you will be able to see this page. Here you have to click on the datasets, and now you can mention any name of the topic, and you will get the dataset for that. Also you can see trending datasets over here and the popular datasets. So let me show you how you can download them. So let's say if you want to download this dataset which says IMDb dataset of 50k movie reviews. So I'll just click on it. After that there is an option for download. So it's 27 MB. Apart from that, you can also select the number of columns. Since it has only 2 columns, you can just deselect the column and then apply, and then download only one column, or you can select from multiple columns. So let's say if we have any other data set which is having a more than 2 columns, so let's go with this one. Now here you can see that it has 9 columns and I just need few of them, so I can just go ahead and select them. I don't want let's say day of week, and then I'll apply it. Now if I'll click on this download button, so let me go ahead and download it. Just click on save. Once done, just open the file folder, extract it. Now here is the file. So it's a CSV file. We will talk more about CSV file in the further videos. So this is how the dataset look like. With this we have covered these datasets in Pandas. In the next video we will learn basics of Pandas.